Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can block ads in your Chrome browser. Here you can see this is our website wplocker.com and now ads are showing. So if I go and click anywhere, now here you can see ads are loading. So how you can block these ads? Simply you can go and install this extension Adblock Chrome extension. So this extension is free of cost. You can install it and it will automatically block all type of unwanted ads that you see in different websites that you keep browsing, and that ads start disturbing your work. So that you can install these type of extensions free of cost. Now extension is installed, and let me go and open this website again. Now here you can see if I go and click anywhere, now that ads are blocked. So in this way you can easily block ads in your Google Chrome